Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your forgotten Wi-Fi password using command prompt in Windows 11. To find your Wi-Fi password, on your taskbar, click on your start button just here and then search for CMD. So we have CMD here, so which is command prompt. So right click on it and run as administrator. So click on yes. Once your command prompt opens, we have to put a prompt which will display all wireless networks that you have been connected to. Input this command. So we have netsh wlan show profile. Right, so this is the command netsh wireless LAN show profile. So once you do that, just press enter. As you can see, it has displayed all wireless networks which you have been connected to, even wireless networks which you have connected for the past and you now don't even have their password to view. You can view all their passwords on this. Currently, I'm connected to this network which is Gen 5. So if I go to this, so click on the start and you can see that I am connected to this wireless network which is Gen 5. What we will do is that we want to view the Gen 5 password. So to view the Gen 5 password, now input this prompt again. So input this netsh wireless LAN show profile name equal to, and what is the network name? So we have Gen 5 Gen-5, then bring the quotation once again. And now what do we want to view? We want to view the password. So we have key equal to clear. Right, so this is the prompt here. So we have netsh wireless LAN show profile name. The profile name, this profile name will be your wireless network name. This name will be your wireless network name, not mine. This, as you can see here, this is mine Wi-Fi network which I'm being connected to, so that is my name here. And then you have your key clear. So once you have that, just enter. Once you enter, just scroll down and look for key content. So we have this key content here. This is where we can view our password. So even if it is a network that you have been connected to for the past days and you have forgotten the password, maybe if you want to try to connect it back, it is requesting for the password. So once it is being listed within the user profiles, you can just view it using this command just as we did. So that is just how easy and simple it is to view your password. So you have the key content here. Once you just come to, you can see that we have security settings. So once you come to the key content, you have a view of the password. That is just how simple and easy it is to view your Wi-Fi password using command prompt. Even if you are not connected to it, a network which you are not being connected to, you can still view all their password on this command prompt. Thank you for watching. If the video was helpful to you in any way, kindly leave us a like and we'll see you on our next one. Peace out.